Hey crafters, thanks for stopping by and welcome to our channel. We are so excited that you are here. Are you looking for some inspiration for your cards? This is the channel. We create fun videos that are full of inspiration, tips and tricks to help your cards be more creative. We upload videos Tuesdays and Thursdays and we go live. So check us out on the first and the third Thursday of each month for our live videos. I say we because my sister Maudie and I have been on this crafting journey for over 30 years and we have so much fun and we just are so excited about sharing our inspiration with you. Remember, check below the video, sign up for our newsletter because we share techniques, tutorials, and inspiration for your card making. So go out, make it a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.